Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable sound in the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon on the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings and Privacy. Select the Settings button under Menu. And then you want to scroll down under Preferences and select Media. So where it says Video and Photo Settings, sounds in the app, you can toggle that to the off position and that will turn off sound in the Facebook app. You can also turn off video start with sound if maybe that's just an issue you're having. So a couple different areas you can look at, but sounds in the app, that'll turn it off across all of Facebook. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.